Hi, and welcome to another episode of I do not know how to put makeup. Right, so today, first let me just mix my hair. I bet I look like a crackhead. So today, it's a special day because we are getting closer to Christmas. I wanted to do today more of a Christmassy look. I don't know how that's going to go, but I do have a surprise. So since last time, I got a couple more things. So as you'll remember, this is the only eyeshadow palette I have. And then I got actually two more eyeshadow palettes. I bought this from my workplace. It had like a defect, so instead of selling it full price, they sold it for 1/4 of the price. And I was like, hell yeah, I'm gonna buy that. So I got this Morphe palette. I'll show you the beautiful colors. The only side effect, wait, let me take this out. The only defect basically is this color was missing. Everything else is untouched. Look at all these colors. Can you see all these colors? Gorgeous. Next, I got this on Depop. So this is Anastasia Beverly Hills once again. But I'm really sad because once it arrived to my place, one of the colors just crashed. Now that I think about it, I don't think I have any colors for Christmas. I was first thinking maybe I should do red with green. Sounds crazy, right? And then I was like, you know what, maybe I'll do red and white because it might be easier. So this green is an option, those two greens. This is also an option. I was thinking if anything I could use this as a red, but it's not really a red. And I thought this looked kind of red, but it's no way near red. Feels so weird talking to the phone. Anyway, I don't know what to do. Maybe I can do green, no, like white to green and with the red lip. Yes. So let's get started with the eyes. Since I don't have any contour foundation or whatever, I didn't even buy those stuff. I'm just too scared to step into those waters. Yeah, we're gonna start with some eyeshadow and let's see how much of a fail I become. I'm scared. I'm gonna start with this cube. Oh, for Christ's sake. So I used this to put like some reddish pinkish color on my eyes before, and now it's turning pink. So we got some pinkish white in here. Right, so I just brought the white all the way down. It's not really white actually, it looks very pink. I'm gonna go for this color. How do makeup people do it on YouTube? So I'm gonna go for this color. This one right here. Should I? No, I'll put this at the end. I'm thinking I should now start with the green. Oh my god, what if I mess this up? What if? So here's the green. My only fear is that I'll look like someone punched my eye. This is not working out. It is so not working out. Oh, Maria, what have you done? It doesn't even look green on my eyelids. The show must go on. So I'm gonna go in now at the edges with this and then blend it all out, okay? Okay, please do not judge just yet. You know what? I will say that it has a very strong pigment since you can see it so freaking vividly. Well, it has a green shimmer. What the hell am I doing? I'm gonna go in with the same dark green and just go in under. Yeah, I could scare off kids. What the hell? Okay, so it's actually going from pink to freaking black. Okay, it's black. It's not even green, it's just pure black. And then there's a black here on the palette. I don't even know what that would look like. Okay, the gold just ruined it. I don't know what I was trying to do there. I don't know. Woo. You know what? Eyeshadow is done. Okay, now next, eyeliner. This is gonna be fun. You know what? It doesn't even matter if I do eyeshadow or not. You can't see it anyway. It's freaking black in there. Look what I just did. I drew the line from there, from the inside, and it went floop. No, I just give up. I give up. Oh, for Christ's sake, it was going so well. Oh no, it was going so well. This liner is so sharp, it can cut you like a knife. Oh shit, oh shit. I really am horrible at this, aren't I? It looks like a kid drew on my face. Okay, from far it doesn't look. Please don't laugh. And since my mascara sucks, I have to use the wand of this one and the tube of this one because this brush is just a nightmare. Huh, I think I can put as much mascara as I want now. I don't think anything can overpower the eyeshadow now. Oh no, yeah, I remember the original plan was to put a red lip. I don't think I'm gonna do that. Or should I? Uh-huh. I see you've noticed something. Now, I know what you're thinking. Maria, why are your eyes ready? Your eyelids and eyelashes, but not your eyebrows? Well, let me tell you something about that. As you'll probably know if you've been watching my videos. I mean, come on. You must have. Why else are you here? Anyway, yeah, I don't really know how to do my eyebrows. I really don't. I could try, but no. I just have a pencil and I go tuck, 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 tuck. No, I literally just, no. So, I was like, for this specific video, I am going to do my eyebrows without a pencil. I should have probably done this before starting the whole eye makeup look, but I thought it would be like at the end. So this is how I'm gonna do my eyebrows today. Ta ta ta. We're gonna dye the eyebrows. Right, so I'm gonna use this dye. So I actually haven't opened this. I was waiting for this video. It does say up to 6 weeks of rich, vibrant eyebrow color, permanent eyebrow color kit, light brown. I got light brown, not medium brown or anything, because I don't know how well this is gonna turn out. So it says the before, it shows the before picture and then the after picture. Honestly speaking, it just looks like the girl has very rare eyebrow hairs. And here it just looks more filled in, so I actually don't know. Maybe this is what I look like right now. How do I open this? Uh-huh. Okay, so in here there's a little bag. Open it, the Ziploc bag. Lots of things inside actually. Get out, come out. Okay, so inside there is a card. Perma Curl Eyelash Curler Warming Station. Oh my god, there is even an eyelash curler warming station. Those things exist. Yeah, for another time, for another video. There's a little leaflet telling us how to do it. There is a little developer antioxidant. No, it's oxidant. Then we've got 4 little matchsticks. No, it's little hunting sticks. And there's another Ziploc bag with capsules and a little container to mix it in, I think. Let's read.
So, for professional use only, blah, 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 patch test, blah, 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 blah.
Preparation. Wash eyebrows with soap and water and pat dry. Be right back. Apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly or Vaseline around the eyebrows. Open capsules by separating ends and pour entire contents into the enclosed mixing cup. Pour an equal amount of creme developer oxidant. Using the point end of the stick, carefully apply the color to the eyebrow, making sure each hair is completely saturated. Important, processing times may vary. If your eyebrows are fine and light, the color may process more quickly. Decrease the processing time by half and examine results. If you want to go darker, reapply remaining mixture and process another 30 seconds or more. Medium brown, 1 to 2 minutes. Light brown, for us is light brown, 1 to 2 minutes. Once processing time is complete, remove color from area with damp paper towel. Brown color will appear darker when wet. Allow brows to completely dry before examining results. If desired results are achieved, proceed with second brow. If you wish to obtain darker results, reapply mixture and process for another 30 seconds or more. I am so scared. I am so scared because eyebrows are just such an important feature of your face, and if I what am I? So I'm trying to mix this. Oh shit. Okay, I'm mixing it. Okay, here go my eyebrows. I'm gonna take this end and apply. You know what? I don't have any tweezers. So if this becomes really dark and if I have any stray loose hairs, then oh well. Okay, 2 minutes. It's 8:44. Okay, 2 minutes have passed. Oh crap. Oh crap. Does it look like I actually have eyebrows? Oh! I have eyebrows! We're gonna go on with the second eyebrow. Hello. So my phone battery actually died and I didn't notice until I said bye-bye to the camera. Okay, let me just say, I am the biggest fail in this world. So first of all, my camera on my phone died and I have applied the eyebrow dye. Second of all, I only noticed that after saying goodbye to the camera. So I was like talking 20 minutes for nothing. And then I got my charger and I put my phone for charging. And I started filming, saying the goodbye once again and showing you my eyebrows, right? And then I watched that video and, right, you can't see my freaking eyebrows because you can only see from like this bit below. So I'm doing it for the third time, so you guys better appreciate this. The reveal. Why can't I have my eyebrows like this? Bye. Peace. You and me, baby, we ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they're doing Discovery Channel.